the Thompson gun. Now there's one I leave behind me, she's a colleen I adore, and I wonder if she'll think of me when she hears the rifles roar. And I leave behind me old grey coat, and I leave behind me plough, and I leave behind me old grey mare, for no more I'll need them now. So we're off to Dublin in the green, our helmets glistening in the sun, where the bayonets flash, the rifles crash to the echo of the Thompson gun. Some men fight for freedom, and some men fight for gold, but the IRA is fighting for the land we have and hold. So we'll keep the flag a-flying, and we'll keep it flying high, for the password of the IRA is to conquer or to die. So we're on